Hi, hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today, and I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving last week. I did take off that week from uploading another video, and instead this week I wanted to bring us back to our roots here at Dollar General. There wasn't too many basket or coupon deals at HEB. A lot of them are gift card related, and it's not really something that excites me. So I wanted to bring us here to Dollar General, see if we could do a quick little $5 challenge, how many items we can get for under $5 using a mix of digital and paper coupons. So tune into the video to see what deal we do.
Alright, you guys, so we are here in the feminine product aisle, and the first thing that we're going to do is right here, and we actually have the ad for it. And so these tampons are normally $3.50, but they're actually going on sale for $3. We have a $2 digital, but it's going to make this just $1 for a 14 count of tampons. So we're going to go ahead and grab one of these and put in our cart. Alright, you guys, so the next item is over here in the oral health care, and we've got these toothbrushes here that are $6, and we have a $5 coupon that came out in the P&G insert. It's going to work with this perfectly fine, making this just $1 for that rechargeable battery. So not a bad deal at all. We're going to go ahead and just grab one. I'm going to go ahead and use this coupon, put that in our cart, and move on to the next item. Okay guys, so to make our cart just a little bit sweeter for today, we're over here in the dollar aisle, and we actually have these $1 3D crusts that are here. Oops, let me pick this up. And as you can see, it's a little bit of a mess over here, but was able to find 2 of these bad boys, and we are going to use 2 of these $2 off coupons. It is a limit of 2, so I'm just only going to grab 2 and use 2 of these. Since these are $1 and the coupon is $2 off, that's going to give us $8 in overage for our cart. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the cart, use 2 of these coupons, and move on to the next item. Now we are over here in the laundry detergent aisle, and we are going to use a digital coupon. As you guys should already know, that $2 Tide digital is attaching to the Tide Simply here. It is only attaching to the pods. I haven't seen it attached to the liquid at any point, so we're just going to go ahead and grab one of these. It is $2.95. The coupon is a $2 off digital, which is going to attach perfectly fine at the register, making that just 95 cents. Okay, and before I leave the laundry aisle, we are going to grab some freebie items. So these gain sheets are the 34 count gain sheets, regularly priced at $2. We have $2 coupons that are going to attach to this, so I'm going to go ahead and use 2 of them. It's going to make this absolutely free and no money at all to get these dryer sheets. Okay guys, so I was making my rounds in the store, and look at this. No coupons on these, but these are all disinfectant sprays. These are in the dollar aisle, so these are just $1 for these disinfectant sprays. Like this one, Hawaiian Mist, and they got one in lavender, it looks like. I don't know what this one is. Is it the same? Yeah, this one's the same. But yeah, pretty cool. You know, if you don't want to sit here and spend all your money on some Lysol or some Clorox spray, come to Dollar General. Get you a little $1 disinfectant spray. They're cheap. Says it kills 99.9% of viruses. Flu virus. Look at that. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys real quick, but let's go ahead. Let's see if there's any more deals that we can do in the store before we head to checkout. Alright you guys, so we are here in the deodorant aisle. We're gonna do another digital coupon. Now this is faced the wrong way. Let me flip this around for y'all. And so this right here is $1.85, and it is attaching to one of our digital coupons. making that just a few cents out of pocket. I believe it's only going to be 90 cents after the digital coupon. So we're going to go ahead and take this and put it in our cart. Alright, so we are in the gift card aisle and we have a digital coupon. It's $1.50 off 3 whenever you buy 3 of the American greeting cards. Now, we do have some cards here that are 2 for $1, meaning that they're only 50 cents. So we are going to grab 3. That's going to make them $1.50. The $1.50 coupon is going to come off the digital coupon, making these completely free. Now, for these birthday cards, my dad's birthday already passed. So his birthday is in May. My grandpa's birthday already passed. It's in August. And let's see. I guess I'll get one of these sympathy cards. Get one of these. And I'll just keep them for whenever the birthdays do come around. It's a great thing about birthdays coming once a year. I can easily just save these and use them whenever I need to. So we're going to go ahead and take this and put in our cart with the rest of our items. Alright, you guys, and for the last part of our deal to go ahead and close up this video, we are here in the food aisle, specifically in the baking area. We're going to go ahead and grab some dollar items. The first one we'll grab is going to be the vegetable oil right here, which I definitely need after using all mine for Thanksgiving. They are $1.85. We have, I want to say it's about 90 cents off in the app or something like that, because with the coupon it does come out to 90 cents out of pocket. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the cart. The other one that we're going to grab is going to be our sugar. Sugar is $2 normally. There's $1 digital, making this just $1. And lastly, we've got a digital coupon on the flour. That's 85 cents off, making the flour just $1. And I think that's all we are going to get today. Alright, you guys, so here is our full cart that we've got here, and this should be right under $5 before tax. So remember, we've got our sugar, normally priced at $2. We've got $1 digital off on that. With the $1 digital off on this, that will make it just $1. Our $2 off is coming off from the Tide Simply Pots, making this 95 cents. We have our 2 paper coupons here that are going to work on the $2 dryer sheets, making these completely free. And the Degree deodorant, we have a $1.25 digital that's working on this, regularly priced at $1.85, so that would make it just 60 cents. We've got our 2 overage items, our dollar crust from the dollar aisle with our $2 paper coupons. Came out from the December P&G, so it's going to give us $1 overage each. We've got our Playtex tampons, regularly priced at $3.50, on sale for $3 right now. $2 digital, making that just $1. We've got our Oral-B battery toothbrush, that is $6. We've got the $5 coupon here. This should work with it, no problems at all. And we have our vegetable oil, and this is a 95-cent digital coupon that's coming off. Since it's $1.85, should make it about 90 cents out of pocket, or 95 cents out of pocket. And we have our free gift cards, the American greeting cards, so a happy birthday / get well cards. $1.50 digital on these. These are 50 cents each, making these completely free. So if I'm doing the math right here on this cart, should be about $4.50 before tax for the whole cart. So let's go ahead, let's take this to checkout and see how we do. in the car, and that transaction went pretty smoothly. So the only thing that did mess me up as far as my total cost, the Oral-B battery toothbrush rang up $7 instead of $6. So maybe it was in the wrong place. Maybe they have the wrong tag up. I wasn't gonna bug about it. It's just $1 difference. But I'll go ahead and show you guys my receipt, because we did great, guys. Look at that. So don't know if y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So our gang came off for the dryer sheets, the $2 off too, making them just freebies. We've got our cards right here. Now the cards, I don't know why I didn't take this into account. So I forgot that the greeting cards coupon is a Dollar General store coupon. So there's no overage and there's no freebies whenever it comes to those. So technically, since the cards were each 50 cents, the DG store coupon only takes 49 cents off each. So instead of it being free, we actually paid 3 cents instead, which is still okay. 3 cents for some gift cards that are regularly priced 50 cents, perfectly fine, no issues there. We got our Tide Simply Pods, $2.95. $2 digital coupon came off, no issues. We've got our overage crest right here. Those were from the dollar aisle for the 3D crest. $2 manufacturer coupon from the P&G, the December P&G, came off perfectly fine, gave us $1 overage for each one of those. Our Oral-B, like I said, they were on the shelf for $6, but they rang up $7 at the register. Like I said, perfectly fine. It just threw off my total out of pocket. Instead of being $4.50, it came out to $5.50, or it was actually $5.48 because of the actual American gift card. So with that being said, the $5 paper coupon that we used worked perfectly fine. So that made it $2 for the Oral-B rechargeable battery. And then we've got our Playtex tampons, regularly priced at $3. Well, actually they're $3.50. They're on sale for $3 this week. $2 digital came off, no issues, making it just $1. Our Degree deodorant, $1.85, $1.25 digital coupon did come off, making that just 60 cents. And then we do have our dollar items here at the bottom, which was our flour, our oil, and our sugar. I believe the oil was 95 cents actually for the coupon. Yeah, because it's $1.85 and the coupon was 95 cents off. So that made that just 90 cents out of pocket for that one, and then $1 for the sugar and $1 for the flour. Total out of pocket, you guys, $5.48 before tax. That is perfect, you guys. We saved a total of $22.42 as far as our coupons. Now, this is just something that we did in the middle of the week. This was just something that we did on a Monday, quick little go-to as far as coming to the store. The great news is you can definitely use this for a Saturday scenario for the $5 off 25 right here. You see this right here at the bottom? Normally this prints off at the bottom of the receipt. If not on the receipt, you do have it on your DG account as far as using it that way. And because without the coupons, the total would have been around about $27 to $28. So that would have met that threshold right there for that 5 off 25. So if we were to do this on Saturday, that actually just would have been 48 cents out of pocket before tax for all those items, you guys. For 14 items, it would have been 48 cents on a Saturday. But we did 14 items, $5.48 before tax, came out to $5.69 after tax, which is not a bad deal. We don't complain about these things. We don't complain about free. We don't complain about cheap on this channel, okay? So hopefully you guys did enjoy me bringing it back to Dollar General. There weren't as many good deals at HEB from what I was seeing, so I went ahead and brought it back to my favorite store here at Dollar General instead. That way you guys can go ahead and do this deal. Hopefully, like I said, you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to upload your receipt to Fetch. Upload your receipt to Fetch. Go ahead and get those points back. Go ahead and get the rebate back. I don't believe that there's any rebates right now from Ibotta on any of these items, which is perfectly fine. But if you don't have it, this is what I recently downloaded. I recently downloaded coupons.com app. Coupons.com is where you can print internet printable coupons from their website and use instead if you don't have inserts that come in your newspaper or you don't want to buy them. If you don't want to buy the newspaper and get the inserts that way, you can always go to coupons.com and print them from there. Normally they are a one-time print, but they did come out with an app instead that you guys can use. Now, normally, before what it was in the past is that it's basically the coupon. So the coupon that you would see on the app, let's say if it was this one right here, this $1 Tide Simply right here. So this would be on the coupons.com app, but in order for you to redeem it, you could not use the paper coupon. That's what it used to be. But now it seems like you can definitely go ahead and stack it. So even if I used that $1 Tide Simply here to go and get Tide Simply, I would still get the $1 back rebate from coupons.com, even with using the paper coupon. So come on now, free, okay? Free, cheap, lower out of pocket. These are all things that I like to hear whenever it comes to couponing. So definitely go ahead and download the app, the coupons.com app. You can definitely go ahead and upload your receipt. It'll tell you which store that you'll need to choose from, as far as choosing from Dollar General, and then you can go ahead and upload the receipt and you can link it directly to your PayPal account and it'll just automatically send the rebate to you that way. You don't have to worry about putting in any type of credit card information, anything like that. Like I said, you can just put in your PayPal info and get it that way. If not, you can go ahead. I believe that you can do an e-check. They can send a check out to you, which I feel is that's going to be a little bit more time consuming. It's not convenient because then you have to go and cash it. So I would just recommend, if you have a PayPal account, go ahead and just link it to that way. Obviously we can go ahead and submit these back as far as the coupons that we did use. So hopefully I can get some money back on the $5 that we used on the Oral-B, the digital coupon for the degree, and hopefully for the gain. I'm not sure if it'll come out for the gain or for the crest, but I mean, we'll go ahead, we'll see if it goes through. It does take some time. I believe it takes 24 to 48 hours before it actually shows that it's been approved or not. So like I said, just some more stuff that we can go ahead and incorporate to this deal. $5.48, upload to fetch, check Ibotta for your rebates. I don't think there's any for these deals that we did. Download the coupons.com app, upload your receipt that way, see if you're able to get any of those rebates back, as far as go ahead and clipping those coupons there and then uploading your receipt to show that you bought the items. And that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. Hopefully you guys did like this video. If you did, definitely go ahead and leave a big like down below. Go ahead and hit the share button if you want to go ahead and share with your friends, and leave a comment down below for me, you guys. Hopefully, I mean, I brought it back to Dollar General. I wanted to bring it a little bit back from when we were doing this. Look at them, they're closing the store in the back. I wanted to bring it back, reel it back to Dollar General, where I initially started my couponing journey here. Was Dollar General and Family Dollar. Bring it back for you guys since I wasn't seeing too many deals at HEB. But I will go ahead and see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.